Programming logic. Programming is the backbone of most of the gadgets we use today. Over the last several decades, programming and programming language have evolved a lot. Some may call this changes a life-changing evolution. So, ang programming o programming language dahil nag-evolve sila sa panahon. Karon ang gitawag ni sa uban nga changes life o changing evolution tungod sa mga technology bali in terms of technology. Logical thinking is one of the most necessary skills for success in programming. There are many ways to improve your programming logic, but the most important things you can do for your kid is encourage them to start early. So ang kaning logical thinking mo ning mag-analyze ta bitaw, mag-unahuna ta sa usa ka problem kung unsa ang solusyon ani para ma-solve ang usa ka problem. Napoy lang giingon dire nga logical thinking start in childhood. Nagsugod ako sa childhood nga playing chess, solving simple puzzle, working through Sudoku puzzle and other similar games enhance logical thinking skills. Kini nga mga dula bali maka-enhance ni logical thinking skills kay kailangan mo din siya analyzation o kuan kaning hunap grabe nga pag nahuna sa pag-solve sa usa ka problem. In a real world programming scenario, high-level logical thinking skills are critical. How can you build stronger logical thinking abilities? We have applied 10 tips to improve your programming language in such as so kani day mga programming language kaning Python, JavaScript, Shell script ug uban pa maka-improve ni sa atong logical thinking skills, thinking abilities. Reading about data structures and algorithm will boost your logic and reasoning skills considerably. So, mabasa na ko nung mga data structures o mga algorithm. Pasabot ko taning algorithm, mo ning step by step na process para masolve ang usa ka problem. Kung basta-basta na to ani nila maka-boost ni sa atong logical and reasoning skills. All logical programming language can be generalized into a category of programming language called declarative language. They share same idea of analyzing computation. So ang programming language kuno pag ma-category sila, ginatawag sila og declarative language ug nagataghatag pud sila pare-pareha nga idea para ma-analyze ang computation. The computation is satisfied by specifying the properties of the correct answers. So ang computation iyang gi-specify ang mga sakto nga answer. Logic program can be interpreted using two main concepts, true and logical deduction. Ang pasabot aning truth is sakto ang answer ug ang pagsabot pud aning deduction mo ning nag-base pa siya kung unsay sakto. Truth derives whether or not the computation in the program is true under the implementation of the program symbols. Logical deduction determines whether a logical clause is consequence of the program. All logical programming languages have exact operational meaning and must support the processing of init set. So ang mga programming language da kuno is na mga operational meaning. The program themselves are instruction for execution by compiler. So na nag-instruct daay. These instructions are always interpreted as logical statement and clauses, and the result of the execution is a logical consequences of the computation. Using a logical language and any other declarative language offer three main advantages. So na ay three main advantages. Logical programming language allow data to be represented both extensionally and intentionally. Intentional representation can also be generically related representation. For example, adjacency list for easy access of the following data elements. This can be derived dynamically from configuration rules. So, ato ang pasabot sa intentionally. So, ang kanila ang extensionally, morning straightforward bitaw ang paghatag sa data. Muna akong pagsabot sa extensionally. Another advantage of logic programming language is that they are well suited for rapid interpretation of the data structure and code implementation very complicated ideas. So, ang logical programming language dahil kuno, ang pag-code ani is very completed. Sabot kaning pastar bali ba? Ang mga data structure pud kuno is pastar ang pagkakuan sa idea pagkahatag. Improve your programming language. Logical and programming is a fundamental key to be a good developer. Maybe depending of your job place, you are going to use more algorithm or not. So, ang logic da kuno sa programming, mao ni ang makakuan sa ato, ito ni makahimo sa ato og kuan ning good developer. Nang maayo ka mo developer bitaw. Ug nagdepende po ni siya sa imong trabaho nga imong gisudlan. Gingon dire if you are a web designer, probably you are not going to deal with complex algorithm. But if you are front end developer, maybe a little more, and if you are back end developer, much more. So number one thing to solve. Programming is about solving problem. A good technique is to split the big problem in small ones to focus on each problem in a better way. And you can use pseudocode in a program or in a simple paper. So, kailangan jud ita magunahon na para masolve ang usa ka problem. Ug giingon po diri kuno, ang dako kuno nga problem. Kung dako ang problem, ato daw ni siyang bahinon para mogagmay ug katong nga gagmay ato silang fokusan kada isa para dali ato masolve. Ug ingon po dire you can use pseudocode in program in a simple paper. Practice. The most important point in this practice. An algorithm is nothing more than an order, an finite set of operations that we carry out for the sole purpose of finding a solution to a problem. So try to practice simple problem to get a better logic. So kailangan jud ito mag-practice para dali na to masolve ang mga problem. Og ang practice po di ay kuno maka-enhance sa ato og better logic. So maong importante kayo ang practice. Learn about data structures and algorithm. Learning about data structures will give you a better plan to focus your problem and have an efficient software. You can play games like chess and practice mathematics. So ang kanidang learn about data structures and algorithm, naghatag daw nato ni sila, naghatag daw ni og sa ato nga kuan ganing sakto nga plano para makapokus ta sa mga problem ug ato din silang ma-solve. Giingon po diri nga you can play games like chess and practice mathematics. So ang kaning chess jud kailangan jud ni pud og kaning chess nga duwa kailangan pud ni siya og mga plano para magdaog og mga analyzation. Learn programming paradigms. Every good point is to learn programming paradigms. Probably one of the most programming paradigms is the object-oriented paradigm or OOP. A programming paradigm is like a blueprint to follow to create our project. You can learn functional programming to learn how you can develop program and solve problem in a different way. So ang kanid ang paradigms mao ni bali ang set bitaw nga atong sundon kung unsay angay buhaton ug angay trabahoon para masolve ang usa ka problem. Look at other people's code. In programming, we have many ways to solve problem. Maybe another person solve the problem that you have in an optimal and simple way. Looking at other people's mind is essential to advance as a programmer. You have GitHub to see a lot of great project. So, pwede na ito kung mo tanaw sa uban programmer nga mga code nila kay base kaning ato ang problem gibali is nasolve na sa ila. Mao ni ang look at other people's code. Ug mutan-aw pud tas uban people's minds ako no is essential para ma-advance ta as a programmer. So diri summary na ni. And that's all.